What is up, YouTube? I am super excited today. You can see, got a new hat today. Also using a different headset because I was told that my other microphone, the sound wasn't as good, so I hope you can hear me better with this microphone. And I am also super excited because I have something really, really cool to tell you about. It's a new product from my friend Adwords Islam. It's called Meerkat Money, and I mean, basically, he's giving things away. There's just no other way to describe this thing. So I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Stay tuned. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can blow successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. You know the drill. My jokes can be as stale as well. My mother's potato latkes, they really, she asked me to make them because she doesn't make potato latkes. Well, go figure. It's Hanukkah, by the way, for those who are not familiar. Potato latkes, these potato pancakes, kind of like the hash browns you get at McDonald's. A little bit different, but similar. Anyhow, I digress. But basically, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, actually, everybody who comes here regularly knows it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, this is annoying, okay? You know, can we have a Hanukkah miracle or a Christmas miracle? Can we have a miracle so that Bart can finally get himself a new line? Seriously. Anyway. The way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give a tip my hand to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here in Life of Mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. Let me see, Liz, she's a sweetheart. I can't get angry at this lady. Who can get angry at a fellow New Yorker? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for Meerkat Money. Now, I want to show you what you're getting here because, you know, the income proof shots, you know, I usually show those, but let's be honest, you know, those are because he's a vendor. But you can be a vendor too, basically. Now, this is what's so cool here. Here's the thing. What Dawood is going to do for you, he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 different full-fledged courses that you get to sell or give away as a bonus. Okay, you can do either or. You can sell them, make money off of them, give them away as a bonus. Anything you sell, you keep 100% commissions. That's the bottom line. Okay, everything you get 100% commissions across the entire funnel for all 20 of these products. So, like, literally, if you're paying $12.95 for this, and when you sell just one of these things, you already make back your money and then some. Okay, and for anybody who really wants to make money online, the best way to do that is if you have products you can actually sell or give away, like full-fledged products you can sell or give away. I'll show you the members there in just a minute. I do want to tell you about my custom bonus. As always, I have one of the best bonuses available for this particular product. So the way I figure is like this. You don't need me to give you even more products to give away because you got 20 of them here. I thought about doing that, but I said, you know what? You got 20 of them here. You really don't need more. It's just piling on. And what you do need instead is how to get the traffic to these products. So I've got 10 different courses that I'm going to give you on how to drive traffic to the sales pages for these products so you can actually make more money selling these products to other people. Okay, now if you pick up any upgrade at all, then what I'm going to do for you is like this. I'm actually going to give you InstaBioLink Premium. That's my software, which is designed to make sure that you can put any link you like, because if you put in a link on Instagram directly to some of these products, they won't work. Instagram is very strict about certain products not being allowed to have links on their website, so they won't work. But with InstaBioLink, you can put links to any of these things, not a problem. You'll bypass the whole problem with Instagram. And if you pick up any upgrade to Meerkat Money, I am going to give you InstaBioLink Premium. That's the premium version of InstaBioLink, not the basic version. Plus, you also are going to get a shout out to my 7,000 followers on Instagram, which means that they will be looking at your InstaBioLink profile with presumably links to all these 20 different products. Okay, if you pick up any 2 upgrades, in addition to those, you're also going to get 1 month of direct access to myself, and that means that you can contact me personally. We speak via a walkie-talkie app, and you can contact me personally. I can help you with sales pages. I can help you with looking over your emails, help you with pretty much anything you need in order to help you build your business up. Okay, so once again, you're getting 10 different courses, 10 on driving traffic. That's going to be included just for the $12.95 front end. You pick up any upgrade, any one upgrade, you get InstaBioLink Premium plus a shout out to my 7,000 Instagram followers. Pick up any 2 upgrades, you're going to get 1 month of direct access to my cell phone for personalized coaching. Okay, this is an insane offer, I know, but that's true. Okay, you do also get all these bonuses that are included, bots training, the lockdown formula, bonus page builder, FB Livewire, and review site secrets. Okay, that's on top of all the other stuff that I'm giving you. I'm giving you 10 different courses. Let's take a quick look at the members area. You can see here, not a whole lot to see. Basically, grab your 100% reseller rights. So you click here, and it's going to give you all the links to grab all the reseller rights for these products. Okay, you can also access the products for yourself, and you can actually use all of these things as giveaways. Okay, so that's another thing that you can actually do. All right, and it's all included for the $12.95 price that you're paying for this particular product. All right, so let's see if I'm going to give a tip match the product here or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, I mean, that was kind of obvious as always, you know, massive tip of my hat to you, Dilwood. You know, he always does these insane offers, and that's why he's able to make a lot of sales, because he makes such crazy, crazy value offers. I would never do such a thing, but he really, really goes over the top with some of these offers, and this one is truly, truly nuts. So yeah, grab this one. This one is worth it. You're going to love it.